Hello, boys and girls. Hello, my sailors. I hope you guys are doing well. And today I'm here with a very special video. I'm going to discuss about a 60 days plan for targeting JEE mains, right? Boys and girls, today you are watching this video. Today is Friday, and your D-Day is on 18th of July. Excluding your D-Day and excluding today, that is Friday, we have 63 days, right? We have 63 days. So I'm taking approximately, like let's say you have squandered away 3 more days. No worries. I'm going to talk about our 60 days plan. I'm taking 60 days. For 60 days, we are going to work efficiently. We are going to put in our best efforts. So how to approach these 60 days? Let's talk about that. First thing, for the people who are joining in very first time, my name is Harsh Maheshwari. I am an alumnus of NIT Warangal and I believe in one thing, जो करो मजे से करो. So दिल लगाकर हम पढ़ने वाले हैं अब 60 दिन में. दिल लगाकर पढ़ने वाले हैं. All right. Boys and girls, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you would be notified when your favorite teacher is going online and taking live lectures. Do make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right. Now, my first tip, boys and girls, my first tip for attacking these 60 days, do it backwards. What does it mean? We all have this habit of targeting our favorite topics first. Whether it is in 11th class or 12th class, the topics which you love, you tend to move towards them when you revise, right? As a result, those topics starts getting better and better. But the topics which we are weak at, we give less time on that. That's very, very bad. Let's change it. For example, let me ask all of you. I'm pretty sure many of you might have not even done or might have not even started or might have started but not in a very good manner, this polymer, biomolecule, and chemistry in everyday life. These chapters are very important. Every year JEE has been asking questions on it. Every year it has been JEE has been asking questions on it. So why do we lose marks here? So make sure you do them. In organic chemistry, in physical chemistry, make a habit of doing it backwards. Those chapters which you have not learned previously, make sure you learn it now better. You might have done it, but do it efficiently. Start with them. That's my tip for you. In organic chemistry and in physical chemistry, go like this. For inorganic chemistry, I have a different plan. I will talk about that. But make sure you do it backwards. It will help you a lot. Okay? Now let's talk about inorganic chemistry, how to attack inorganic chemistry. Boys and girls, I would ask you to read NCERT, right? Now, many of you would say, sir, I know NCERT, but there are some other books as well. Boys and girls, the time has gone. My sailors, the time has gone. And chemistry, if I talk about inorganic chemistry, the domain is way too big. The domain is way too big, you will get lost. Right now, read NCERT. I trust you me. It's sufficient. It's enough, right? Mainly if I talk about JEE mains, 30 out of 30, around 24 questions would be coming from NCERT. So why do we lose our marks on that? Let's read NCERT properly. Let's take me seriously here. NCERT is very, very important. Very, very important for inorganic chemistry. So it's very important. So make sure you do NCERT properly. You have to cover some topics. For example, let me talk about this. Periodic properties, when we will start, make sure you learn the exceptions ढंग से पढ़ो. Atomic radii and this ionization energy trends, what are the exceptions? Make sure you learn them. Pseudo inert gas configuration, some questions are there, make sure you do that. Chemical bonding, very logical chapter, very important chapter. Questions will definitely come on hybridization structures, right? MOT, definitely it would come up, and it's a very logical chapter. There is no mugging up required, so definitely do that. SNP Block, yes, we have to read NCERT. We have to go through NCERT. I will give you a plan, systematic plan. How do we study from NCERT? I know many of you would be thinking, sir, how do I attack NCERT? That's the problem. Let me answer you as well. So wait for a minute. All right. Then DNF, good chapter. If you can read NCERT, very good, but I have a shortcut for it as well. What happens if you can learn the structures, the reactions, the colors of KMNO4, K2Cr2O7, the structures, the oxidizing reactions, color formation, ligand to metal charge transfer, those things you can do for KMNO4 and K2Cr2O7, their preparations, oxidizing properties, it is enough. If you can read the NCERT, the chapter entirely from the NCERT, very good. But if you can also read KMNO4 and K2CR207 more efficiently, go for it. If you can't read from NCERT all the points, I will say definitely make sure do KMNO4 and K2CR207, all the reactions, preparations, your oxidizing nature, your color properly, because questions will definitely come up from there. This is a tip actually, right? I have seen the pattern many times, it is coming up again and again. Then your coordination chemistry chapter 12th, sorry, class 12th topic, very good topic. And questions are coming from your, crystal field theory, your isomerism, very good questions. पिछले साल काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं इन पे हमेशा, तो आइसोमेरिज्म, जीआई, ओआई, मेक श्योर यू लर्न देम. मेटलर्जी यार वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है, अभी भी आया है इसका सवाल, रिसेंट में भी आया है. सो मेक श्योर यू डू मेटलर्जी प्रॉपरली. मेटलर्जी पढ़ना है फ्रॉम अगेन एनसीईआरटी. Now the question is, how do I attack NCERT for inorganic chemistry? So let me talk about first about SNP block. Boys and girls, what you are going to do? You are going to learn SNP block. Now the question will come, for how many hours? Whatever I have been giving you, I am assuming that you are learning 4 hours daily. 4 घंटा आप निकाल ही रहे हो केमिस्ट्री के लिए, right? Why I am asking you to take 4 hours? Take out 4 hours, because chemistry is very scoring and it will boost your rank. Guarantee, I'm giving you a guarantee, it will definitely boost your rank. So make sure you're giving 4 to 5 hours. If you want to go for 5 as well, but 4 hours to definitely you fix for chemistry, right? And I also break it down how to go about these 4 hours. I also break it down to you. Now when you want to read NCERT, how to read NCERT efficiently? First take your S block, write down all the reactions, all the important reaction on a piece of paper. Make sure you write down those reaction every day, right? So let's take, I am taking S block 1 day, 2 day, max to max you will take 2 days, that's it. 2 days are actually more than enough, right? If you are taking them, making sure that you are writing the important reactions. Similarly you will do for P block. Let's say for S block you have written 50 reactions. When you're starting on starting for P block, those 50 reactions should be over. For P blocks, let's say you have written now 30 more reactions on 13 group, right? So what will happen? Now 50 plus 30, 80. 80 reactions should be known to you when you will go for more reactions. This is the way you can remember, right? Every day you are learning the previous reaction and giving yourself some new reactions. Next day you are learning everything. This is the way you are going to approach. If you're not able to learn the previous reactions, then again, do not write more reactions. Make sure you finish the first reaction itself, right? Moreover, I will give you one more method. You're writing them neatly, systematically in one piece of paper. It will help you a lot. Again, I will give you one more method how you can sharpen this. So writing it on a piece of paper, going through these reactions every day will help you a lot. All the important reactions you're writing. Then, very important thing, which is the structures of oxyacids, structures of nitrogen, oxyacids of sulfur, oxyacids of nitrogen. Many structures are there for phosphorus also. You write them on a piece of paper again. Go through them every day. Since when you are learning inorganic chemistry, at least half an hour when you are going about structures, half an hour you allot. This is the time where I would, or whenever you do systematically, first you are doing S block, then you have started P block. While you are coming across these structures, write it down efficiently on a piece of paper so you can recall them every day. Same, just like the reactions, we are going to do the same thing with the structures as well. Acha, now, best part about writing all these reactions, you will be doing some question comes in JEE. What will happen if I do the thermal decomposition of this compound, that compound, right? Nitrogen containing compound. If I will decompose, what I will get? The benefit of this is automatically that third point, thermal decomposition reactions would be known to you. So you also write them again as a revision. This you can do as a revision tool. All those thermal decomposition reactions would be known to you. And while reading out, you can also make sure you write the precipitates that are formed. You might read across that this compound gives you this color precipitate. Write it down on a piece of paper. It can be useful when you are doing, when the questions are of identification. You can actually identify using this information. So this will help you do that. Simultaneously, beta, question papers. I'll talk about this, how to study SP block in this manner, then how to test it also. One way I have given you, every day you are going to learn. Moving on, next, if you are moving on to the next day, make sure the previous reactions are learned. This is one way, right? This is one efficient manner. Another way, what I have done, I will also share. Okay? All right. Now let's come to organic and physical. Beta, I know you have your coaching notes, whichever coaching you were going to use them. Right now, I would ask you to go for NCERT in-text question. 2017, 11th class, from direct 11th class, chromatography is there in our 11th class. Question came directly on that. It's from NCERT, straight line was there, straightforward line was there. Physical chemistry in-text questions, solve from NCERT. Sare NCERT छान मारो, right? You should go on a scavenger hunt. Each and every question of NCERT should be known and done by you. That's what I am recommending right now. Make sure you do all in-text questions from organic and as well as physical chemistry efficiently. And what you are going to do, I am asking you to study 4 hours, allot 2 hours. I mean, I'm assuming that you can vary the timing, but I am assuming, let's say, 2 hours for theory, 2 hours for content, 2 hours for questions, right? You can vary the timing as per your learning speed, as per your learning capabilities. You can vary with the time. I'm assuming you are giving 2 hours to theory, 2 hours to your questions. To make sure you study the chapter, you study the organic chapter, do it backwards again. Physical chemistry, do it backwards. Whatever the chapter you are reading, do the in-text question right there and then. NCERT kar lo sari. There are many questions coming from NCERT directly. Physical chemistry, we have formulas, all are formula based. Make sure you write the formula on a piece of paper. Solutions, we have so many paper. Thermodynamics, we have so many formulas, right? Just write down everything on a piece of paper. Go through them every day when you are reading physical chemistry, right? Allot days. Inorganic chemistry done. Next week, I'm going to finish physical. Next week I'll go for organic chapter, and week wise you can do like that. ठीक है, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. It's up to you. Or you can go for one day, or let's finish inorganic first, then move to physical, then move to organic. This can also be done. ठीक है, as per your liking. I'm making this flexible as well. This timetable I'm making it very flexible as well. ठीक है. Now the most important thing, as I told you, previous year question papers are enough. Take out 40 years solved papers of IIT JEE. Enough questions you would get. You're solving NCERT. You're reading NCERT properly. So you're learning everything. It's not like you are missing out on anything. Now you want to increase your knowledge. You know your level. आप कहाँ पर stand करते हो. By this 40 years, previous year, all IIT JEE questions and their solution also, solve them. And for solving them, you might require some extra content. So fix your time. 2 hours for solving, 2 hours for your content, 2 hours for questions, 2 hours for content. Do like this every day. And previous year questions, by doing them, you will become very strong. You will get some are advanced questions also. So you'll also be learning for advanced simultaneously. You'll also be learning simultaneously for advanced. So NCERT and your IIT JEE previous year question papers are enough. इसके ऊपर नहीं जाना हमारे को केमिस्ट्री में. Need not to go anywhere else. Just read your NCERT, do your in-text questions, do your previous year questions. IIT JEE previous year question paper, it is more than enough. Now what I am going to tell you here, do it for 50 straight days. ये 50 दिन तक करना है आपको. 50 straight days you have to go for this. 5 hours you have to, 4 to 5 hours you have to allot. Let's say 4 hours, right? Allot 4 hours, and yes, make sure you are learning a topic. You are doing the previous year questions. You are learning a topic, doing in-text questions also as well, previous year question, right? Make sure you are doing it. Make sure you're doing it. You will become stronger and stronger in your subject. Now, let's see the final thing. 50 दिन तक आपको ये करना है. The most important tip for this particular session, in this particular session, according to me, is this. Now, next 10 days you are going to allot for mock tests. Every day you have to write one test paper for the next 10 days continuously. Why is that? And whatever the timing you have, you will get the timing. This is the time of your exam, right? You will get the timing as well. At that same time you sit to write your exam. You are making your body and mind known to this fact. This time I want 100% attention. Fix 3 hours, write in your room, be locked. I don't care. एक लॉक कर लो अपने आप को रूम में and write. Make this atmosphere of an exam is happening on or going on. Make sure this environment you are creating at your home. Do that for next 10 days. So your mind would be at your best when you will hit your D-Day. When your D-Day is here, your body is alert and your mind is alert. Yes, I have to be 100% active at this particular sort of time. Let's say you have been given a time slot of 12 to 3. So 12 to 3, your mind is active. Every day you are giving the exams, your mock test for the next 10 days continuously at that particular hour. So automatically your body will be attuned or accustomed to that particular setting, and you would perform best on the 11th day, whichever the day you are giving the exam. I hope the point is clear. So 18th को जब आप दे रहे होंगे, it will be amazing. Your body is no, or your body and mind is habituated. It will work at its optimum level. Okay. I think you understood this point. This is very, very important. If you can incorporate that 10 mock tests continuously at that same time period, creating the atmosphere of this exam, amazing. It will help you a lot. मैंने भी ये किया है. It helped me a lot. ठीक है. Inorganic chemistry, again I am concluding. Physical chemistry, organic chemistry, NCERT हमें ही पढ़ना है. And yes, make sure you allot your time, 2 hours for your content, 2 hours for your paper, right? Previous year question papers. In that, find the topic. If you are reading S block, find S block questions from that particular year, solve them. And same for physical chemistry, same for inorganic. Oh, sorry, organic chemistry. Everywhere you have to do, and you can vary the time, 2 hours, 2 hours instead of that 3 or 1. You can vary with that as per your capabilities. Make sure you do that. And yes, one thing, you would definitely come across a time, you will hit that particular period where something is lagging, but do not break the timetable. कुछ छूट जा रहा है, if something is, you are not able to cover up, leave it right there and then. You can come back again. I'm giving you this 10-day buffer as well, right? I'm giving you a buffer of 10 days, so automatically you can recall and you can get back to that and study there, whatever is left behind. But do not break your timetable. Every day make a habit of learning 4 hours chemistry or 5 hours chemistry, and in this manner only, the way I have explained. Make sure you follow it. You will see the results. When you will be writing those mock tests, you will feel the difference, right? You will feel the difference, you will feel the confidence, and the D-Day would be awesome. So I hope you have liked it. And yes, now many things I have told, it can be a bit daunting for the people, uh, not able to manage. I can tell you this crash course is very good for you. What we'll do, we will teach you each and every day, each and every subject, physics, chemistry, maths, not only chemistry, every subject. I'll give you systematic content. We will give you systematic questions, the questions which had been appearing in previous years. We will discuss them. And what is the benefit of it? We will be discussing it live. So when you have a doubt, that can be answered right there and then. If you go for different mock tests or buy mock test series, you do not get the live part. You do not get the live discussion part. Similarly, what is important here, when we will conduct tests, we will also discuss your All India rank. It will give you an idea where we are standing and what is that we need to improve. So it will also give you a sense of improvement, this particular course, right? An amazing thing is, which I personally feel, that you will be getting your doubt clear right there and then, and it is making everything systematic for you. You can either follow my plan. If by chance you're not able to cope up, this crash course will help you a lot. It will give you systematic physics, chemistry, maths with particular exams, with particulars, particular exams which had been, the questions which had been coming in the exams. Systematic way we are going to put up the questions, every topic, those particular questions. So it will help you a lot in that sense. So you can click on the link. I will show you. You can click on the link, beta. Very easy thing. If I will click on the link, I will go to the site, and many people ask me, he said, is this link safe? The link is very safe. You just need to put the code there. You put the code there, HMCC, you'll get a discount, and it will be available to you by paying just 6,000 rupees. It is very, the price will drop down to 6,000 rupees if you use this coupon code, right? Very simple process. All these features are there in this particular crash course, which I have just explained, rank booster and everything, which I personally think, what is the best thing here? Live discussion, live clearance right there and then. Because I know as a student, when we study and we have a doubt and it is unanswered, we feel frantic, हम पागल हो जाते हैं यार. तो ये चीज इस crash course से we can easily kill, we can actually get the best result, right? I hope you have liked the video, आपको मजा आया. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Definitely do that, ठीक है? And similarly, I would ask you, the people who are following us on JEE 2020 or who is watching, first time, make sure you join Telegram app and you use, you subscribe to our channel there, that is Vedantu JEE. We are posting up content, we are giving you ideas, we are giving you assignments. We are telling you when we are coming live so you can attend our lectures. We are solving question papers also, so you can also be knowing all these information. You would be knowing all these information when you come to this channel. You will be notified also, right? So make sure you click there, check out it. It's for free. Link is in the description box. I hope you have liked it. Maza aaya hai. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. And yes, crash course amazing hai if you want more systematic planning. Thank you so much. That's it for me today. See you next time.